Hi, my name is June. Hi June, I am Michael. It's nice to meet you, Michael. Nice to meet you too. How long have you been here in Yangon? For about 6 years, I moved from Mandalay to here. Oh, I see. Are you living with your family? Yes, I'm living with my family, my parents, and my sibling. How many siblings do you have, Michael? Just 2, my little brother and sister. I'm the eldest. That's good to hear. You have siblings who accompany you. You know, I'm only child. So I usually spend most of my free time with my friends. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to visit my friends and play some kind of sport, like football, badminton. What about you? What sport do you like? I like to play football, basketball, and table tennis. Wow, you are a really good athlete. Yes, I am. By the way, what time is it? It's almost 12. Oh, I think I'd better go now. I've an appointment with my friend. It's good to see you, Michael. Bye. See you later. Goodbye. Take care of yourself. Can you tell me a little about Mandalay City? Sure, I can. What would you like to know about Mandalay? Well, what's a good time to visit? I think you can go anytime. The weather is always nice. Oh, great. And what should I see there? Well, you should definitely visit the Royal Palace and the Mandalay Hill. And what else? There are many famous pagodas too. And you shouldn't miss the sunset on Uping Bridge. It is really breathtaking. It all sounds really interesting. Yeah, it is. What day is today? Today is Saturday. What's the date today? It's the 24th. Do you know what month this is? Yes, it is December. By the way, what year is it? Oh, really? Don't you know? It's 2022. So today is Saturday, the 24th of December 2022? Yes, that's right. Good afternoon, can I help you? Good afternoon, do you have any ballpoint pens, please? Yes, which kind would you like? Let's see, the striped one, please. What color would you like? 2 blacks and 1 blue. They are 200 checks each, that will be 300 checks. What about the exercise books over there? Do you want the 80-page or the 60-page ones? The 80-page ones, please. How much are they? They are 800 checks each. They are expensive, aren't they? Yes, I'm afraid so. How many books do you want? I will take a couple of the books. Excuse me, can you help me? Is there a public toilet around here? A public toilet? I'm sorry, I don't think so. Oh no, my son needs a toilet. Well, there's a toilet in the department store on Main Street. Where on Main Street? It's on the corner of the Main Street and Jasmine Street. On the corner of Main and Jasmine? Yes. It's across from the cinema. You can't miss it. Thank you for your help.